Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the MySQL Shutdown Unexpectedly error in XAMPP. Here's the quick and easy way to fix it. Before you start, stop Apache to safely work with the files. Then minimize XAMPP. Next, go to your XAMPP installation folder. It's usually on local disk C. Now open the XAMPP folder. Then find and open the MySQL folder. This is where all your MySQL data and backup files are stored. Here, find the folder named Data and rename it to Data Old. This keeps your old files safe. Now find another folder called Backup, then copy and paste it in the same MySQL folder. Next, rename the pasted folder to Data. This will create a fresh MySQL data folder. Next, open the Data Old folder. Now, copy all of your database folders except MySQL, Performance Schema, PHP-MyAdmin, and Test. Then, paste the folders you copied into the new data folder. Next, go back to the Data Old folder. Here, find the file named ibdata1. Copy it and paste it into the new data folder. If prompted, click Replace to overwrite the file. Finally, open the XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL. Both should start without errors. Next, click Admin next to MySQL to open PHP-MyAdmin. Your databases will appear on the left. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your MySQL database in XAMPP. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.